Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem in elementary number theory, perfect for beginners. This question is modified from an essay question of the International Math and Science Olympiad for primary schools in 2023. Let's dive in. Given positive integers a and b with a is less than or equal to b, satisfying 2 over 3a plus 3 over 2b equals 1 over 12. Find all possible order pairs of AB. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and take your best shot. Share your answer in the comments when you're ready, and let's explore the solution together. From the condition 2 over 3a plus 3 over 2b equals 1 over 12, we multiply each term by 12ab. Resulting in 8b plus 18a equals ab. Rewrite as ab minus 18a minus 8b equals 0. Adding both sides with 18 times 8 allows us to factorize the left-hand side of the equation as a minus 8 times b minus 18. For right-hand side, 18 times 8 is 144 with prime factorization 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2. With the factorization and the constraint that both a and b are integers, we find the value of a minus 8 and b minus 18 are 1 and 144, or 2 and 72, or 3 and 48, and so on. We stop at 18 and 8 as a must be less than or equal to b. Altogether, we have 10 different sets of them. With this information and careful calculation, we obtain all the values of AB. While we successfully solve the problem, it's always beneficial to practice what you have learned. Using a similar method as shown earlier, I believe you can tackle the following question. Feel free to try it and share your answer in the comments. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.